Diane in Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. I hope you're fine and well. Checking with you today for a little Hygge chat. Remember, before you watch anything on Instagram, before you watch anything on YouTube, set a timer on your phone or your kitchen timer, because I'm going to set mine right now, because you come here for inspiration. Hopefully I'm here to inspire you and motivate you, but I don't want you sitting all day getting stuck in the internet. So anyway, with that aside, let's get into our Hygge chat. We are back from our holiday in Nice, the south of France. We had a fabulous time. I'll put together a little video so you can see our apartment, what we did and where we stayed, a little day trip that we did to Villefranche-sur-Mer. Today I'll start by showing you what I brought back as my clutter-free souvenirs, and also I want to give you a wee pep talk about something that is all over the internet at the moment about the end of summer, or maybe the end of winter, depending on where you are in the planet, and getting back to school and back into the new term. And a wee pep talk for you about that. It's not all doom and gloom. Anyway, clutter-free souvenirs. Now, as many of you know, I like to bring back clutter souvenirs, and the main thing that I bring back is, I don't know if you can see behind me, are tea towels. Now, we weren't able to travel last year, but usually when we go on vacation, I love to bring back a tea towel from where we've stayed. It doesn't necessarily have the name of the place, but it's just, a tea towel that I find that kind of inspires me. And then when I bring it back, I use it, and it's just a memory of the holiday. It makes it very Hygge when I'm doing my evening routine. I look at my tea towel and I have those happy memories. And I know many of you have kind of gotten to the idea of bringing back the souvenir tea towels as well. And you haven't been using them because you want to kind of save them. And please, please, please use that. I mean, it's something that's supposed to be used on a daily basis. That's the whole idea of it. It's not meant to last forever. You could take a photo of it before you start using it if you want. The idea is that you're just bringing a little bit of your vacation home with you, and you're going to keep that good feeling, and as you use it. I've got 2 tea towels this year. The first one I already showed on Instagram, and it's actually in the wash at the moment. And it's from Villefranche-sur-Mer, where we walked to Villefranche from Nice when we were in Nice. And I just love the colours of it. It's beautiful turquoise colours. It's got a little deux chevaux car on it, the 2CV. So that's the first one. And the second one I actually bought in the same shop in Villefranche. Now this doesn't say Villefranche, it's just a really nice quality, and I like the colours. It's by Marat. Marat, it could be, I just can see Marat, I can't see d'Avignon. I think it's from Avignon in France. So anyway, so that's my other clutter-free souvenir. And I like the tea towels instead of, buying some kind of plastic donkey or sombrero hat. The other thing that I often do when I'm on holiday, on vacation, is if I'm wanting to do some shopping, instead of doing that kind of mindless shopping, I look for something that I have on my own shopping list. And I've been looking for a gold shopper bag that I can use for the beach, or that I can use for meetings, something that I can put my diary into, my notebooks, my keys, sunglasses, you name it, I can get it in there, a water bottle. And I found this one in Nice in Galeries Lafayette, which is a really nice department store. And it was just a really good find, because I've been looking for a gold shopper. I haven't managed to get one in Copenhagen, and lo and behold, it was there. It's quite big. It's a bit like the TARDIS. It holds more than you think. It can sit up itself on top of a chair. It's got a couple of good sections where I can put my notebooks in, and it's also got a zippered section in the middle so that I'm not at the risk of losing anything. There we are, nice gold hardware on it, and the little clips. So I'm super, super pleased with that. And when I was at the market in Nice, they've got a beautiful flower market and fruit market and all things market. I saw a really nice beach bag, and yes, it was nice, but it's not something that I would be using all year round like I can this one. This one I've actually also used to take to the beach. I managed to get my beach towel in it, sun cream, you know, water bottle, all that. So I'm really pleased with that. So that's my other holiday souvenir from this year. And two other things from Nice. If you've ever been to Nice, you'll know that they have a pebble beach. And I took back two flat pebbles. Whenever I'm somewhere where we're near the sea, I always bring back a stone or a shell. So those are this year's holiday souvenirs. This week, I put up the first video in a series that I'm doing with my friend Sue, Sporty Sue. And if you watched the video, there are quite a few people who commented, Sue didn't declutter anything. And I just want to underline here that I film in real time. You can see us going through the process. The first part of the process was putting like with like. Sue had, they had been doing major works up in the main house. So in the basement, things had been put down there. And before you can start decluttering, you have to put like with like. It's impossible to pick up things and say, can I declutter this when you don't know what else is there? So in the beginning, we were putting like with like, and in the next few videos, you will see how it ended up, how much Sue decluttered. Spoilers here, she decluttered a lot, and how we got it organized in the end. So when you see my declutter videos, it's not that kind of speeded up thing and then, you know, you see the final results in 10 minutes. I'm walking you through the thought process here. I know many of you, that's difficult, what to keep, what to hold on to, how to organize it. You can declutter along with us. That's the purpose of my videos. I'm not into the kind of clickbait YouTube videos where, you know, you fast forward and see the big reveal. I'm working along with you here. So anyway, stay tuned for more videos with Sue. I love Sue, she's such a good friend, and she's such a good sport for allowing us to come in and declutter with her. And then the final thing for today, back to school, back into the new season. I know some of you, and I can see you on Instagram or comments on YouTube, you've kind of got that kind of melancholy feeling about what's coming up. It doesn't have to be like that. We really need to see it as a chance. There's new opportunities, new possibilities coming up. Many of you are becoming empty nesters like my husband and I are. And I just want to say here, I've had so many comments of people saying, oh Diane, I hope you'll be all right. I think my husband and I must be the kind of exception to the rule, because we are really enjoying being the two of us again. And it's not that, you know, we're kind of kicking the kids out of the house, but the kids are ready to move on. We've taught them well, that they're loving being in their new places, and it's a chance for hubby and I to do things on our own again. Of course, it won't all be happy days, and I'll probably have some struggles with the kids not being here. But generally speaking, I'm looking forward to it. It's new possibilities. And sometimes we need to watch here when our whole kind of focus, or what we're looking forward to, is the holidays and summer and vacation. Why are you in that mindset? What is it that you're missing in your day-to-day that makes you feel like that? I used to feel like that many years ago when I was overwhelmed and when the kids were smaller. I was just kind of living for the high days and the holidays and a chance to get away from the mess and overwhelm of the house. But I've changed that round by being very, very deliberate and being very mindful of looking after me and putting some hygge, you know, some cozy moments into my day. I've noticed this in the last few years with me and my besties, Vibeke and Helena. We always say at this point of year, you know, it's kind of, you know, it's sad, the weather's changing, the end of the summer, but actually we really enjoy getting back into our normal routines, our normal days when we can connect, where we're down for our daily swim in the sea, we're cycling down there, we're enjoying our cup of tea together and chatting for a couple of minutes. We're enjoying getting back into having a kind of sense of purpose with every day. We've got our set routines going. If you're not looking forward to that, what can you add into your day? I've got lots and lots of ideas on my blog, dianedenmark.com. I've got lots of videos where I talk about putting some self-care into your day, a self-care bingo chart. You know, I give you ideas on what you can do each week, depending on which zone we're working in the house. So think about that. If you're that kind of, oh, you're not looking forward to getting back into normal again, what is your normal? Maybe you need to change up your normal and add in some more hygge. But anyway, don't worry, I will be leading you through it as we get back into our normal routines after the summer vacation and after the school holidays. I hope that gives you a little insight to how I keep myself up and moving, even if things aren't going well. You know, every day may not be good, but you can always find something good in every day. And the routines, adding in some hygge, that is really going to pull you through, especially on the busy days. Also, I know many of you are going through periods of grief at the moment. Really lean into your routines. The routines are soothing because it gives you some kind of focus for your day, some kind of purpose. And also lean into the hygge. Do something just for you. Take some moments to let it all out, to have a really good cry, and I know that I'm thinking of you. Let me know what are you going to do for yourself today, right here, right now, that can change your normal every day. Are you going to light a candle and have a shower in the morning? I often do that. It doesn't need to be real candles, it can be LED candles. Maybe you're going to put out one of your nice tea towels so that when you're doing your clearing up after eating dinner tonight, that will bring a little smile to your face. Can you grab a book that you said you were going to start and you didn't think you had time to do it? Set a timer for 5 minutes. Read a couple of pages from your book and be deliberate about it. So on that note, all I'm going to do is get off on my merry way. Time to get off your bahookie and get moving. I'll give you a wee pom-pom salute to get on your merry way. So live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon with that rap, rap, rap. Okay, bye for now. Off you go.